tonight, we take you inside the company called OpenAI, Artificial Intelligence, their new technology, GPT-4.
This AI system can learn the underlying representations of what these words mean, how they relate, do a little bit of something that is sort of like reasoning, sort of like understanding what you as a user want some of the time, not always, not perfectly, and try to help you.
Have you ever wished that you had a personal assistant that could help you with anything you need? A smart and friendly companion that could answer your questions, write your emails, create your content, and more? In this video, we'll show you 10 of the most useful and amazing ChatGPT tools that you can use to make your life better. So if you're looking for a way to leverage AI technology in our life or work, this video is a must-watch. Let's begin. Number 1. ChatGPT Desktop. The ChatGPT Desktop is a multi-platform key functional on macOS, Linux, and Windows. You can use ChatGPT on your desktop and ship your conversation history in PNG, PDF, and Markdown formats. The application provides frequently used shortcut keys and integrates with excellent chatbot prompts for easy import of prompts. These prompts can be synchronized with just one click and can also be deactivated if necessary. With the ChatGPT Desktop app, you can access ChatGPT anytime and anywhere without an internet connection. You can also customize the app settings according to your preferences, such as the theme color, font size, voice mode, and more. Number 2. ChatGPT Everywhere. A convenient Chrome extension is now available for easy access to ChatGPT. This extension allows you to efficiently gather information while browsing Google search results. Additionally, it features a sidebar that can be effortlessly accessed with a single click, providing seamless access to the full capabilities of ChatGPT's language model across the web. With the ChatGPT Everywhere extension, you can use ChatGPT to enhance your browsing experience and get more out of the web. You can use ChatGPT to find answers, suggestions, facts, opinions, jokes, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to generate content such as headlines, summaries, captions, and more. Number 3. ChatGPT for Gmail, a Chrome extension to assist you in dealing with emails constructively, whether composing or replying to the email, with the ability to finish the email subject, fix typos, and provide an easy button to activate the completion procedure. This extension makes email writing more efficient. Plus, the feature can be allowed or disabled at any time. With the ChatGPT for Gmail extension, you can use ChatGPT to write better emails, faster, and easier. You can use ChatGPT to develop email content based on your input or context, such as greetings, sign-offs, follow-ups, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to edit and improve your email content by checking grammar, spelling, tone, and more. Number 4. AI Engine, a WordPress plugin that allows you to count a ChatGPT-style chatbot to your website with an easy short code. You can develop fresh content, do translations and revisions, and find suggestions in its AI playground. The plugin also delivers quick titles and excerpt recommendations, follows your OpenAI usage with built-in statistics, and has an internal API for other plugins to tap and blend into the plugin. With the AI Engine plugin, you can use ChatGPT to enhance your WordPress website and blog. You can also use ChatGPT to create engaging and interactive chatbots for your visitors, such as FAQ bots, quiz bots, survey bots, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to create high quality and relevant content for your website, such as articles, reviews, testimonials, and more. Number 5. AI Post Generator, another AI-powered WordPress plugin that helps you with creating high-quality content for your website. The plugin is powered by OpenAI's GPT-3 language model and helps multiple languages, automatically detecting the language of the title and developing content in the same language. What makes it cool is that it can find high-quality images for your posts that go with the topic or theme of the writing. With the AI Post Generator plugin, you can use ChatGPT to generate unique and original content for your website in minutes. You can use ChatGPT to generate content based on any keyword, category, or niche that you want, such as health, technology, business, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to generate content based on any style or tone that you want, such as informative, persuasive, humorous, and more. Number 6. GPT-3 WordPress Post Generator Script. This script generates a WordPress post by utilizing the OpenAI GPT-3 API and a WordPress post title. The script can generate a catchy and SEO-friendly title based on the keyword or topic you provide. The script can also generate a relevant and engaging excerpt for your post, which can be used as a meta description or a summary. With the GPT-3 WordPress post generator script, you can use ChatGPT to create awesome titles and excerpts for your WordPress posts in seconds. You can use ChatGPT to create titles and excerpts based on any keyword, topic, or niche that you want, such as fitness, travel, fashion, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to create titles and excerpts based on any style or tone that you want, such as funny, informative, catchy, and more. Number 7. ChatGPT for Google Docs, a Chrome extension that adds a ChatGPT sidebar to your Google Docs document. You can use ChatGPT to help you write, edit, and improve your document in various ways. You can use ChatGPT to generate content based on your input or context, such as paragraphs, sentences, bullet points, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to edit and improve your content by checking grammar, spelling, style, and more. With the ChatGPT for Google Docs extension, you can use ChatGPT to make your writing process easier and faster. You can use ChatGPT to write any type of document such as essays, reports, letters, resumes, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to write in any language as it supports multiple languages and translations. Number 8. ChatGPT for Code, a web app that allows you to write code with the help of ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to generate code snippets based on your input or context, such as variables, functions, classes, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to generate code comments based on your code or description. The app supports multiple programming languages such as Python, Java, C#, and more. With the ChatGPT for Code app, you can use ChatGPT to make your coding process easier and faster. You can use ChatGPT to write any type of code such as web development, data science, machine learning, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to learn new programming languages or concepts by asking questions or requesting examples. Number 9. ChatGPT for Education, a web app that allows you to learn with the help of ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to ask questions about any topic or subject you want to learn about, such as math, science, history, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to get explanations, examples, diagrams, and more. The app also provides quizzes, flashcards, and games to help you test your knowledge and skills. With a ChatGPT for Education app, you can use ChatGPT to make your learning process more fun and effective. You can use ChatGPT to learn at your own pace and level according to your interests and goals. You can also use ChatGPT to learn with others by joining or creating study groups, challenges, and competitions. Number 10. ChatGPT for Fun, a web app that allows you to have fun with the help of ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to generate various types of content for entertainment purposes, such as stories, poems, songs, jokes, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to play various types of games with AI or other users, such as trivia, riddles, Hangman, and more. With the ChatGPT for Fun app, you can use ChatGPT to unleash your creativity and imagination. You can use ChatGPT to create any type of content you want based on any prompt or topic that you give it. You can also use ChatGPT to have fun with others by sharing your creations, giving feedback, or competing with them. We have reached the end of this video, where we have shown you 10 of the most useful and amazing ChatGPT tools that you can use to make your life better. These tools are built on top of ChatGPT and the GPT-3 based AI model, making it easier for you to take advantage of their full potential. So if you're looking for a way to leverage AI technology in our life or work, this video is a must-watch. But we also want to hear from you. Which of these tools do you find the most useful and interesting? Have you tried any of them before? What are some other ChatGPT tools that you would like to see or use? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on ChatGPT and other topics. More videos coming soon. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.